Hello to everyone, it's me, Carolina Angulo, and today we're gonna do a sequence about the Sahara choreography. So, thank you so much. Remember to check my other links of the Sahara choreography. Welcome. Remember to give a like and subscribe. A big hug, and thank you. Okay, so let's do it. It's 4, 1, with the hands in that way, 2, 3, 4, and 4 chest. Okay, so let's do it a couple times so you understand how it is. Very good, let's try it again. Right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, again. Very good, very good. So now let's do the mistakes. Sometimes people just turn completely to the left or the right. Remember not to do this, okay? The chest is front. And also remember to have a good position on your arms so it looks cute, okay? Do not move your lower body or your upper body. Just have a neutral position. Relax your shoulders. And this is the correct position of the hands, okay? Very good. So now let's review the feet. So try not to open your legs more wide than your hips, okay? So just put the foot just like a touch, you know. Do not do a hip lift, okay? It's just putting the feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember to, when you do it, try not to move your lower body when you lift the chest, okay? Good. Try not to do this, and do not straight your legs also, okay? It's just this with the arms, it's just the feet, and with the chest, just move your chest. That's all. Okay, very good. So let's try it. Just continue. Very good. Okay. Other thing, try not to do this, okay? Some people do this. No. It's this way, okay? This way. Just in front. Other thing is, try not to move your shoulders a lot, okay? Doing this. Try to relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay? A big kiss. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial or sequence about the Sahara choreography. Remember to check my other links so you learn better the choreography. Thank you so much.